Welcome to Cooking with Biz. On today's episode, we're going to jump on the Goyaboycott bandwagon and I'm going to show you how to do some adobo and some sazon. And trust me, I don't care if you're left wing or right wing, we don't get into politics on this channel, but you should know how to make these seasonings at home. Because whenever you make your food, fresh homemade seasoning make that food taste better. Trust me, let's get into it. So we got 20 grams garlic powder. We got 20 grams turmeric powder. 5 grams of hot chili powder, optional. 20 grams of paprika. Get all that paprika in there. 20 grams of onion powder, 10 grams of coriander, 5 grams of sugar, 10 grams of salt, 5 grams of black pepper, 15 grams of parsley, 10 grams of oregano. Once all your ingredients are mixed, pour it in, mix it around with a spoon. Get all the little bits and pieces that kind of like bunched up. There you go. Looking nice. So we got trusty Cooking with Biz adobo bottle, 5 ounces. We're gonna grab our little trusty funnel. We're gonna pour in the mix. Adobo by Biz. Five grams of cumin, 15 grams of cilantro, dried, 10 grams of black pepper, 10 grams of paprika, 30 grams achiote powder, 5 grams of salt, 5 grams of MSG, grams of garlic powder, 30 grams of onion powder. Here we have the zest of orange, a lime, and a lemon that's been dried up and chopped, and we're taking just about 2 full tablespoons of that. Then we're going to mix this all up. Sazon by Biz.
For real.
For real.
And a 3.
That's it.
And a 2.
Hey guys, we just finished making our adobo and our sazon for this week's episode. We're going to keep going on the Goyaboycott bandwagon. I got some sofrito and cajeta coming up. Keep in tune, keep watching. Peace. Hey fam, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell on top so we can catch all our weekly updates. Peace.